squaring of a number by using base method. So using this base concept, how to find out the square of the number. So which are close to the base and which are not nearest to the base also. Let us see this method. Before proceeding, let us have the start with small number, then get the idea of the method, what method you are following. For example, what is the square of 8? The meaning of square of 8 is 8 square, that is 8 into 8, 64, right? So actually how we are getting 64? Generally 8 8 is 64 if you know the table. But originally if you see this 8, 8 is very close to the base 10. Okay, if you don't know in case 8, 64, see the method here. So think base 10 for 8. Now when you compare this 8 and base 10, so 8 is 2 less than 10. 8 is, this all you can calculate in mind. 8 is how much less? That should in mind first. 8 is 2 less than 10, right? So because of 8 is 2 less than 10, again one more 2 you can subtract from this 8. Again, how much is less to the base, that much again you can subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6, right? Again, how much is the less, that number square? So 2 square is 4. 6 we got in LHS. Again 2 is less, right? 2 square is 4. So 64, actually this is the pattern. Let us see one more example. Instead of 8, let us take 9. Okay, what is the 9 square? Now immediately in mind, how much to the base 10, because 9 is close to the base 10. So for 10, how much it is less? So this is 1 less. For the base 10, this is 1 less. So immediately you subtract in mind, again that minus 1 you shall subtract from the 9. That is 8. Next, which number is less? So 1 is less, right? Then 1 square is again 1. So 8 1 is 81. 9 square is 81. Let us go for the bigger numbers. Now let us take 96. You get idea now. For example, 96 square you need to find out. So step 1. In mind, first step immediately, we should think 96 is how much less to the base 100. Because 96 is close to the base 100. Base 100 is the main we are taking for 96. So immediately take 96. 96 is 4 less. Okay, that 4 should be in mind. Take that 4 and subtract from 96 that 4. That is 92. That's the first step. Next again, whatever this surplus extra, how much is less now, that number square. 4 square is 16. So 92 and 16. 9216 is the answer of 96 square, right? Even anything, for example 97 square you ought to find out. Only single step we can write. Take that 97 in mind, you calculate how much less this number to the base 100. So 3 less, that 3 again you subtract from this, right? So 94. 3 less, right? So 3 square 9. We got only single digit, so you can make it as a double digit because 100 is the base. 2 power of 10 to the power 2. So 9409, right? Even let us go for the 1000 base. Simple. Take 988 square value out to find out. So first step is take this 988. Keep in mind to the base 1000 because 988 is base 1000 number. Okay, compared to the 1000, how much less? It's 988. How much less to the 1000? So number 12. 12 is less, no? Again 12 you subtract from this. Okay. 976. This part is the LHS side. Immediately whatever the number is less, no? That number square. So 12 square is 144. Right? This all together you can write because 144 is 3 digit. 1000 10 power 3. Same. Extra means you can carry to this or else same. So 976144. Okay, this is the pattern you'll follow. Same, any number, any square number close to the base 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on. Any bigger number you can use the same method. Okay, let me add one more topic in this. Instead of base 10, 100,000, the number is not near to the base. For example, 201. 201 square you have to find out. So originally we required the base 100. So for the base 100, instead of base 100, working base, take it as the 200. But imagine 201 is close to the 200. So take working base and once you start the sum first. 201 is multiply with 201. No, same how we did the base method, same method you follow previous video. So this is plus 1 and plus 1, right? Now by adding this 202 and 1 into 1, so 1 itself, but this base, actual base is 100, so 0 1, right? Next from 100 to this 200, so by multiplying 2 will get, so same number you can multiply with 2, so 404 and this is 0 1, this is as it is, okay, 40,401. Same base method, the actual base is not actual to the power of 10, no, that method only can apply for squaring. But any number is very close to the base, that square number is very simple. Okay, this is the method you can follow for these problems. If any squaring of the number using the base method, the number is very close to the base 10, 100,000, 10,000, so on, just check how much gap difference that you can subtract and make it.